What it do, what it do. Happy football Sunday to y'all. Today's a great day. My Ravens won. Wishing that the Rams could have helped us out a little bit. Took care of the Steelers. I love the Steelers, see the Steelers lose, but it doesn't always go that way. Hey, I just want to stop in a little bit, touch base with y'all about some thoughts I was having earlier while watching my Ravens game. Like I said, my Ravens won today. AJ Green didn't play, and three things we all can learn from that. I'm going to keep it short, but I really want to share this with you. So I'm going to go across these points and make sure you didn't miss this. I think it's valuable and something that we all can learn from. It was a great day here in Baltimore. Like I said, our Ravens won. Weather was good. Winning just about all the way around. Like I said, I wish the Rams could have pulled that out, but it's all right. But the team we beat today, the Cincinnati Bengals, one of their best players didn't play. Towards the end of the game, I was watching the broadcast, and the announcers began talking about, AJ Green wasn't playing and saying just a whole bunch of stuff about it. He's been with, that team for about 7 years, and this is the final year of his contract with them. He's been injured, and he stated that he won't play until he's 100%, which I agree with. If you can't perform, there's no need to go out there half step, but they're not doing that good this year. The team hasn't offered to extend his contract, so he's basically protecting his investment. And with him being a professional athlete, his body is his investment. It represents his future earnings potential. With him being an employee of the Bengals and them not making a future commitment to him, he has to protect his future earnings potential, which basically is his body, condition of his body. And this relates to us. We are all contractual employees who should be looking, out for our potential future earnings. Our body, mind, and spirit must be whole for us to perform at our best. I know it is for me. The first thing we learned from AJ Green today is that we are in control of our future earnings. Not our boss, not our company, not the company that we work for. We are easily replaced. Always remember that. You are easily replaced. The second thing is not to be afraid to separate ourselves from the norm, to take that control. For those of us who do go a different path, we're often looked at strangely by the majority of people because, they don't always get what we're doing or what we're trying to do. And that's cool. And the third thing, lastly, I want to touch on is be prepared for ridicule. Those who don't understand, what we're doing or what you're doing will be your loudest detractors. Ignore the noise and stay your path. It's your path. It's your future. You have to take control of it. I'll put together a list of 6 more tips to go along with this 3 that I just named on steps for you to how to gain control of your future and how to break away from the norm. I would love to share that with you. Just send me a message and I'll gladly send it over to you for your knowledge. Thank you for your time this evening. I told you I was going to keep it brief. Reach out to me if you would like that list of additional tips on how to break away from the norm and to gain your financial freedom and take control of your future potential earnings. Like I said, just shoot me a message. I'll be glad to hear from you. We can chop it up. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.